Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact cable and port on your laptop. A Lightning versus USB-C difference changes the adapter you need. Once done, make sure your laptop has the latest drivers or iTunes/Finder installed so the system recognizes the device. Unlock your iPhone and have it on the home screen. You will see a "Trust this computer" prompt when you plug in. Use an original or MFI-certified cable to avoid connection drops, and start the physical pairing now. You plug the cable firmly into both devices, making sure not to force connectors at an angle which can damage ports. After you accept Trust on the phone, open Finder on Mac or iTunes/Device Manager on Windows to confirm the phone appears. This verifies a successful handshake. If you plan to transfer photos, choose the appropriate import window. If backing up, select backup options. Also look for the charging indicator, so you know power and data lines are functioning concurrently. You finish by ejecting or disconnecting from Finder/iTunes before unplugging to prevent file errors, then disconnect the cable. If the laptop doesn't recognize the phone, restart both devices, try another USB port, or swap to a known good cable. These steps isolate hardware versus software faults. Make sure iOS and your laptop OS are updated, and if data still won't pass, reset location and privacy settings on the iPhone. Additionally, inspect ports for lint and clean gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.